So I've come up to check my beds after the snow, and I've just noticed me one no dig bed. There's weeds coming up. I'll go show you. Have a look. Right, so this one here, so I've put the cardboard down, put the layer of compost in, and most of it is fine. You see here, it'll start to come through. You can see there. There's a bit over there, and in the middle as well. I just want to move and see how. It's come straight through the cardboard, straight through the compost, and they're a bit easier to pull up, but now I don't know what weed that is. I thought this would have done a bit better than that. I'm not even going to attempt it with them beds because they're even worse, so I'm going to do that with I'm just going to dig it over. I don't know what to do with this one. I think I might just continue to weed this one and leave it like the no dig. As it says, seem to be alright over there. But I really need to dig over the other beds as well. This one, I did have beans in, but they just didn't take off. So I'm going to dig over this one to plant. I keep forgetting I'm standing on that bit where my bulbs are. You can see me all my bulbs are coming up along there. But you can see there, that was my beans, but they just didn't take off. My onions haven't come through yet either. I planted them a little while back in this bed and they just haven't come up. The plants that are left there is just mustard. The only things actually grown, my garlic, they're looking alright, and my shallots as well. They seem to be doing alright. But I have been moving the wood that was here. Remember, I know I'm bleeding, I cut myself on that thing. But yeah, there's a big pile of wood there. I've cleared that all over now, and there was a Victorian, I think that's what it is, Victorian sink, that. Well, I've moved it, I've cut my finger along the edge there. Yeah, I've just moved all the wood into this corner. I might use it, I might not use it. If not, I'll just burn it. Apart from that, nothing else. It has grown. I did put the asparagus and rhubarb down here, but nothing's appeared. And I think asparagus, apart from that, the rhubarb was around here, but nothing's come out. It didn't look very good when I popped it in. It didn't look the most healthiest, so I don't know if it was died or what, I'm not sure. But I'm going to have a bit of a dig and see how far I get with this finger, because it's bloody hurting. Well, this is an uphill battle. The amount of roots, I'm pulling them out, but the amount of roots that were under here. Gonna have a while to do this. I don't even know if I can do it all in one day each bed, because that one's going to be even worse. The soil is good, it's just full of roots. I got away from the allotment yesterday, my hand was hurting too much after cutting it on that sink. So back in the greenhouse doing a bit of planting up. I've done quite a bit today actually. Got done a load of sunflower seeds in there, just one little pot. I've done a watermelon as well, and them two with the pink labels, and that one, them two there's a cucumber. Just seeing everything's doing alright, yeah. I've done a load of peas there, sugar snap ones. A load of tomatoes that are going to go out either in the garden or up the allotment. And then one there is some brassicas, kale, cabbage. And I put some flowers in there as well. I could not remember for the life is the name of them. But I've popped them in there now as well. You can see me lettuce. It's starting to germinate. That's through the frost as well, so having it under this double greenhouse has worked. Same with these flowers as well. None of the herbs have come up yet, which I'm not surprised. They need a bit more heat. But next time I'm up the allotment, I'm going to put them 2 beans up there as well. They're starting to flower, I think. Can I zoom in? Yeah, I'm sure it's getting a flower on it there. Now, do you just pinch them out? I have no idea. With them, it's the first time I've done beans. But yeah, I think I overreacted a bit with them weeds. When you look at the bed, it's like 1% of its weeds coming up. I'm hoping it's just a little bit there and that's it. I dug the other beds over. I'm not sure if I'd managed to get the video of that, but I dug the other beds over because they were didn't have compost on them. but I had really good worm activity in, so I'm hoping it's going to be fine to plant stuff in. I'll just have to keep de-weeding them as I go along, and I should be getting me potatoes out this month as well. Anyways, thanks for watching, hope you enjoy.